I have a question for you, social media fam. Are you going to lead with AI or are you going to be left behind? I'm going to say that y'all are going to lead with AI, okay? So y'all, I am so excited to announce and invite you on a journey with me for the whole women's AI revolution. Let me tell you, the reason why I paid attention to this AI revolution is because it is moving at lightning speed. I know some people are like, I am too busy to be worried about AI. I have so much stuff going on. But what I realize is that there are going to be women that are really going to learn how to leverage AI in every area of their life. And then those are going to be other people that sit on the sidelines and unfortunately may be left behind. So guys, I haven't really talked about it a lot, but I am so excited to announce that we are starting our 30-day countdown for She Leads with AI. Yes, I have been in the lab over here and I have really been researching AI for a while and looking at how you can incorporate it in every area of your life. So not just business or your career, but as a woman, as a wife, as a mother, as a CEO, as a leader, as a caretaker, as a friend, all of the things. And so when I started off, it wasn't to write a book. It really was to just help me get knowledge and information. I think the very first time that I really delved into AI was out of frustration with an IAP meeting for my son. He's neurodiverse. And that took me down a whole spiral of looking for AI information. And my husband, he introduced it to me years ago. And he was like, Renee, you need to get on this AI. So I tried it a little bit, then I put it up, and I tried it a little bit, and then I put it off. And finally, he just was like, listen, this is the direction that the business world is going in, and you have to make sure that you pivot and that you're able to compete. So I finally took it serious. And when I told you I took a deep dive into it, it is game changer. We have shifted our whole business model where we include AI consulting and strategy and training and all those kinds of things. But what I noticed when I was having a lot of conversations with my clients and even with my girlfriends, a lot of people were stuck in fear with AI. They were paralyzed. There was so many tools that were out there. It seemed like a new tool was coming every, day, and people just didn't know how to use it. And also, I run and facilitate several masterminds for small businesses, for women that are looking to scale. And I noticed that some of them had skills with AI, but most of them were not leveraging it to the extent that it could be leveraged. And this was 6-figure businesses, 7, 8, 9-figure businesses. So I made it my journey and commitment to those women in those masterminds to learn everything that I could, have my team learn everything that they could, so that we could provide strategy and how to leverage AI. So all of the research that we have done, it is here in this book. Y'all, do y'all see it? And this isn't a little thin book. This is thick, right? Look at there. We have cartoons, we have examples, we have roadmaps. Let me tell y'all something. I'm not even being biased, but this is the AI Bible that I needed for my business and for being a leader and for my life. And so I wanted to share it with you. So we are doing a 30-day countdown. So I am going to be in your feed over the next 30 days, and I'm going to share you different ways that you can use AI in every area of your life. In the book, we share so many stories of other women that have used AI for help with caretaking. Their parents have been diagnosed with dementia and Alzheimer's, and it pushed them into like a full-time caretaker role in the midst of building a business or leading a team. We talk about how women use AI for their health journey. Some that have been diagnosed with cancer, that are overcoming cancer, some that are just wanting to live a healthier lifestyle. We talk about how to use it in your marriage. You know, how those conversations that just keep coming up. You know, how AI can be a coach. We talk about it in parenting, just in your mental health. So this covers so many different things. And so I want to provide value for you over the next 30 days to just introduce you to the whole new world of AI and to invite you to join the women's AI revolution. Okay, guys? So if you are interested in up-leveling your business in every area, your personal life, relationships with AI, this is the book for you. She Leads with AI. So you can click the link below to get your copy, or sheleadswithaibook.com. And I invite you to join me on this women's revolution, this AI revolution, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, guys, it's time to lead with AI. Let's go.